Thank you, Prisha, Sekriti, and Janvi for the beautiful performance. A special note of gratitude to Abhishek and his team for the stunning makeup work. Thank you, Abhishek and team. Next, we have a solo performance by our talented student Sanvi. She will be performing Narasimha Kautvam, set to a Ragamallika with Kanda Chapatalam. Please enjoy the performance. Thank you, Sanvi, for that energetic performance. Next, we have the final performance by our students. We kindly request everyone to stay for the guest performance as we will be concluding with the prize distribution and a group photo. Next, we are thrilled to present the next performance, Kriti Kalyana Rama, performed by Manjusha and Madhumita. This beautiful composition by Ottukodu Venkata Subbaiyer, set in Ragam Hamsanadam and Talam Adi, will be a wonderful addition to this evening. Please enjoy the performance.
ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ರಾಮ ಆಗದ ಸುರವರ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಅಖಂಡ ಜನಗಣ ಭೂಷಿತಂಗಲ ಆಗದ ಸುರವರ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಅಖಂಡ ಜನಗಣ ಭೂಷಿತಂಗಲ ಆಗದ ಸುರವರ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಸಜ್ಜನ
With this, we have completed the performances of our students. I would request everyone to praise them with a round of applause. Thank you all. Now we have a very special guest present here. Shri Devesh Nair. He is a Kuchipudi dancer who has been trained in dance since his early age, mastering Bharatanatyam, Kerala Nadam, and Kuchipudi. His passion for Kuchipudi led him to learn its nuance under the guidance of Guru, Dr. Vasant Kiran. Devesh holds a bachelor degree in Kuchipudi combined with English and psychology and is currently pursuing his master's degree in Kuchipudi. He had the privilege of performing in the village of Kuchipudi and prestigious festivals across the country, such as Kerala Kala Mandaladam Festival and Kajuraho International Dance Festival, among many others. Devesh has also accompanied his guru in various productions portraying prominent characters as Shiva. A Doordarshan graded artist, Devesh Nair, has gained Instagram fame and actively assists his guru with teaching and choreography. His dedication and diverse experience have made him a notable figure in the field of Kuchipudi. Now, would like to throw some lights on his performance. The first dance, Nadamurali Gana Vilolam, is a delightful combination of Ottukodu Venkata Subbayyar, set in the majestic raga Hamir Kalyani, and Tisra Nadai Tala. This piece describes the divine charm of Lord Krishna, focusing on enchanting melody of his flute, which captivates all beings. Choreographed by Guru Dr. Vasant Kiran, the performance beautifully blends Abhinaya and Nritya, highlighting Krishna's playful divinity and the joyful, lilting quality of the composition. It is a light yet profound piece that is both visually and engaging and spiritually uplifting. It is my pleasure to welcome Shri Devesh Nair to the stage, our esteemed guest performer for this evening. We are truly grateful to Devesh for accepting our invitations without hesitations. Devesh, please. I would like everyone to give them a big round of applause, please. Thank you.
ಕಾರಣಿ ಗಿರಿಧಾರಣಿ ತತ ಧೀಂದ ಧೀಂದ ತಗ ಧೀಂದ ಧೀಂದ ತತ ತದಿಗಿಣ ದುಂತಾಂ 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 ತದಿಗಿಣ ದುಂ ಸ ಸ ಸ ಪ ಪ ಪದ ಗ ಗ ಮದ ಪ ಪ ಮ ಮ ದ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಮ ದ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ಸ ಸ ಪ ಗ ಗ ಮದ ಪ ಪ ಮ ಮ ದ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಮ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದಿ 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 ತ ದ ನು ಪುರ ಸಂಕಳು ತಿಂಗಳು ಜನಂಗ ಸತ್ಯವ ಚಿತ್ರಂ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದಿ 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 ತ ದ ನು ಪುರ ಸಂಕಳು ತಿಂಗಳು ಜನಂಗ ಸತ್ಯ ವಿಚಿತ್ರಂ ತಾಂ ಕಿಡಿ ಕಿಡಿ ತರಿಕಿಡಿ ತಾಂ ತರಿಕಿಡಿ ಕಿಡಿ ಚಿಡಿ ಸಿಡಿ ಕಿಡಿ ತರಿಕಿಡಿ ತಾಂ ತರಿಕಿಡಿ ಕಿಡಿ ಚಿಡಿ ಕಿಡಿ ಕಿಡಿ ತರಿಕಿಡಿ ತಾಂ ತರಿಕಿಡಿ ದ ನಾದ ಮುರಳಿ ಗಾನವಿಲೋಲ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಾರದ ಮುರಿ ಸನ್ನಿತ ವರಮಾಲ ನಾದ ಮುರಳಿ ಗಾನವಿಲೋಲ ನಾದ ಮುರಳಿ
Thank you, Sri Devesh sir, for the wonderful performance of Nada Murali Gana Vilola. Your artistry truly brought to compositions to life and captivated us all. Next, the Kuchipudi Salamu by Dr. Vasant Kiran is a pronounced offering to Bala Tripura Sundari, the goddess revered in the Kuchipudi tradition. This composition details the divine aspects of goddesses, weaving together history, literature, and devotions. Through the expressive medium of Kuchipudi dance, it is honored the spiritual essence and cultural richness associated with this traditional art form. Paying a heartfelt tribute to the divine feminine energy embodied by the Bala Tripura Sundari. The piece concludes with Salamu to Abdul Hassan Qutub Shah, the king of the Sunni Islamic dynasty, who offered the line for Kuchipudi to flourish. The song is composed and choreographed by Dr. Vasant Kiran, Raga Mallika, and Tala Mallika. Now I would request Devesh sir, please grace the stage. It's an honor to welcome on stage Srimati Shruti ma'am, Naveen sir, and Nikhil sir. Would request to call Sri MP Unni Krishnan, the proud father of our founder, Srimati Urmila Mullapalli, and Srimati Indira Devi, the loving mother of Srimati Urmila Mullapalli, to come on stage. I would request ma'am and sir to first honor Shruti ma'am, please Shruti ma'am, for her support and joining us today. With a token of appreciation, let's have a round of applause for them, please. we will be presenting a Kuchipudi Solomo, choreographed by Dr. Vasant Kiran. Raga Raga Mallika, Tala Mallika by Sri Devesh Nair. I welcome Devesh Nair to come on the stage.
సగమప మగమప గమప నిసని పమ గమగ సని సగమప మగమప గమప నిసని పమ గమగ సని సని పమ సని ప సని పమ గమగ కూచిపూడి తల్లికి నమస్సులు బాల తల్లికి నమస్సులు తల్లికి నమస్సులు 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 నృత్య
తకిట తగదత్తి మీదక్క తక్కిట తరికిడజం 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 తరికిడజం
ఉద్భవించిన కూచిపూడియని సాత్విక నృత్య ప్రకారము ఉద్భవించిన కూచిపూడియని సాత్విక నృత్య ప్రకారము కూచిపూడి తల్లికి నమస్సులు బాల తల్లికి నమస్సులు తల్లికి నమస్సులు కూచిపూడి తల్లికి నమస్సులు బాల తల్లికి నమస్సులు తల్లికి నమస్సులు సిద్ధేంద్రుని భామాకలాపము భామని సత్యభామని భామని సత్యభామని 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 క్షేత్రజ్ఞుని పదకవిత్వము నారాయణ తీర్థుల అమోఘ తరంగము వ్యత్యస్త పాదారవింద విశ్వవందిత ముకుంద వ్యత్యస్త పాదారవింద రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు 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 రసమయమైన రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు రసమయమైన రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు 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 రసమయమైన
తత్తత్రిదం తత్తత్రిదం తత్తి తత్రిదం తలంకదం తత్తత్రిదం తత్తత్రిదం తత్తి తత్రిదం తలంకదం దింగిన్నతం తలంకదం దింగిన్నతం 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 గిన్నతం గిన్నతం తరగడదం 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 తరగడదం
రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు రసమయమైన రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు రసమయమైన కూచిపుడి కళకు రసమయమైన
Bang
కూచిపూడి కళకు రసమయమైన కూచిపూడి కళకు రసమయమైన కూచిపూడి కళకు వసంత గోపాలుడు అర్పించు కవిత్వము రసమయమైన కూచిపూడి కళకు వసంత గోపాలుడు అర్పించు కవిత్వము సలాం 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 దిగ్ది సలాం సలాం దిగ్ది సలాం దిగ్ది సలాం దిగ్ది సలాం 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 సలాం
Wow, what a wonderful performance. I was thinking, whatever I have written to say thank you will not be enough for his energy, his expression, his grace on the stage, each step. It was just a wow and amazing moment. And some places we also feel the goosebumps when he was showing the character and transferring from one character to another characters. Really hats off to you, Naresh, sir. Your performance was truly inspiring. Now, I would like to request our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Sisira Das, to come forward and present a memento and a token of appreciation to our extremely talented artist, Sri Devesh Nair, as a gesture of our gratitude. Ma'am, please, I request you to come on the stage, please. Next, we have a very special performance by our beloved Guru, Urmila Ma'am. Her dedication and passion for the art form have always been an inspirational to all of us. It is an honor to welcome her to stage. Now, to grace us with her performance, please join me in welcoming Guru Urmila Ma'am.
இத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாதவருடன் ஏன் பிங்கே கொண்டாய் மகளே எத்தனை போது செந்தை
Thank you, Urmila ma'am, for such an amazing performance. Now, I would like to invite all the participants to come forward for a group photo. Now, I would like to call Abhishek. Thank you, Abhishek sir and his team for stunning makeup work. Now, I would request Amaira. Amaira, can you please come on the stage, please? Harshita. Shrikriti. Sanvi. Pallavi. Riddhi. Akshara. Risha. Sanvi. Krishika, last but not the least, Adhika. Now I would request Madhumita. Manjusha. Thank you for all the dancers for joining and supporting. Please keep learning and keep growing. Gentlemen, as we come to the close of this wonderful evening filled with dance, music, and heartfelt performances, it is time to express our gratitude to everyone who has made this event possible. It is my pleasure to invite someone whose supports and encouragement have been instrumental in success of our annual day celebrations. Please join me in welcoming Urmila ma'am to the stage to deliver the vote of thanks. Thank you so much.
Before starting my vote of thanks, so I want to give my thank you to Anupama, who came here and supported us as a guest of honor throughout the event, and I want to call her on the stage and give the appreciation. Now, it's truly an honor for me to stand here and express my heartfelt gratitude to all who made this event a grand success. First and foremost, I would like to thank our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Shishra ma'am, for gracing us with her presence today. Your wisdom, guidance, and constant support have been a source of inspiration, and we are forever grateful for your encouragement and motivation. A special thanks to our guest performer, Sri Devesh Nair, for sharing your incredible talent with us. Your performance was truly mesmerizing, and it has left an indelible mark on all of us. A heartfelt thanks to my parents, who are the reason I am standing here today. It is because of your encouragement, love, and cultural value you instilled in me during my childhood that I have had a privilege to pursue this beautiful art form. I owe everything to you. To my family, thank you for being my constant support system. Your patience, understanding, and encouragement mean the world to me. A big thank you to Anupama, who took on the honor of being the host of our guests throughout the event. Your grace, warmth, and dedication ensured that everything went seamlessly, and we deeply appreciate your efforts. I extend my deepest gratitude to the incredible ensemble who brought magic to this event. Shruti ma'am on vocals, Naveen sir on mridangam, and Nikhil sir on flute. Your artistry has added life and soul to this evening. Thank you for your dedication and passion. A special thanks to our makeup artist Abhishek and his team for the stunning makeovers. Your creativity and expertise have made our dancers look absolutely beautiful and confident on stage. Thank you to Ravi Shankar for the impeccable lighting setup that enhanced the beauty of every performance and created a magical atmosphere. Our heartfelt thankful to Shiva Photography and Videography for capturing the essence and this event so beautifully. Your work ensures these precious moments will be cherished forever. I also wish to thank Manchu for being a strong pillar of support in the stage settings and ensuring that everything went in detail was perfectly in place. A special thanks to the Police Department for their support in ensuring the event ran smoothly and securely. Your assistance has been invaluable. To all the parents of our students, thank you for your trust and belief in our vision. Your support and encouragement have been instrumental and is making this journey a success. To my dear students, thank you for your hard work, dedication, and enthusiasm. Watching you grow as artists fill me with immense pride, and it is your energy that inspires me to strive this more. A huge thanks to the entire Adhigam team for their tireless effort behind the scenes. Your dedication and meticulous planning have made this event seamless. Finally, I would like to thank each and every one of you in the audience for being here today. Your presence adds warmth and energy to this occasion, and your continued support means so much to us. Let us continue to nurture the spirit of dance, passion, and creativity in the days to come. Thank you and have a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you all. I would love to call Shiva on the stage for giving our appreciation.